Did you memorize it? What's this? Hey, now we got some vocab. Wow. Maybe next lesson, vocab, right? What's the third one? Second one? What's this? Did you memorize it?
No.
Did you write it down?
No.
So how do you remember it?
Just do it.
It's in your body.
Just do it.
So the first one is? What's the second one?
Speak.
Clap and speak.
Clap and speak. The third one? Gesture. You take out the clap and gesture. What's the fourth one? Nice. Add feeling. Why do you think that's an important one, number 4? Confidence? What? It's memorable, it's fun. That's what we really want. It's more fun. And the sillier that you are, the better it is. I was trying to be really silly. Because you'll never be as goofy as I look up here going,